In this video I'm going to show you how to make a boomerang video on Instagram from your live photo. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Instagram app and then hit here at plus sign to start creating a story. And now there at the pictures, at live photos, you will see that boomerang sign at the top left corner of the live photo. On regular photo you wouldn't see that sign. As you see, that is a regular photo. And here is another live photos. I can select any of them, let it be the first one, and then I can hit at that sign in order to create a boomerang from that live photo. I just hit at that sign and now see what happened. Now there I also can continue editing that boomerang. I can hit there at speed icon to change the speed of that boomerang. Also I can hit at that icon to add some echo effect, and by hitting on that sign I add duo effect on that boomerang. And when I finished with editing that boomerang, I can hit on done and continue editing that story as I normally do. I can add there some stickers, text, and when I finished I can hit on next and share that story to my profile. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.